Hinduism, the Hindu gods and goddesses. In this, we will see Lord Ganesh first. The Hindus believe all their efforts should start with the worshipping of Lord Ganesh for his blessing for it to be successful. And so, let us begin with Lord Ganesh himself. Lord Ganesh is the highly popular Hindu deity. Elephant and elephant-headed. You must be aware of and must have read about lot of animals. All animals fall within the two categories of wild and domestic animals. You may be familiar with animals like lion, tiger, fox, etc., which are wild animals, and dog, cat, cow, goat, and horse are domesticated animals. But then there is one animal that is capable of delighting and surprising small children at first sight. Can you guess which animal is it? Yes, it is elephant. It is a wonderful wild animal that can delight all children. A very large torso, broad ears like sleeves, very tiny eyes, a beautiful trunk, large pillar-like legs. More than all this, the beautiful ivory-colored tusks that are unique to the elephant alone. Yes, the elephant is indeed a beautiful animal. Even though the elephant is enormous in size, it obeys the order of the mahout and follows him like a child. It retains calm and quiet, eating leaves, grass, and sugar cane. But when the same elephant rises up in anger, no one can face its wrath. It can uproot and crush even very large trees and stamp people to death. Just as the saying, beware the fury of a patient man goes, an elephant can be very dangerous when it is enraged. But it does not get angry that easily. Normally, it remains calm, shake its head in glee when it sees children. It accepts with its trunk the bananas and sugar canes that are offered lovingly by children. The elephant trunk has extraordinary powers. No other animals in the world has such a wonderful limb. Now, shall we get to know about Lord Ganesh, who has this wonderful animal's head as his own? We worship God who is prevalent in old world in various forms and by various names. Yet, Lord Ganesh is one God who is lovingly worshipped by one and all, both by children and adults. We call Lord Ganesh fondly by various names like Pillayar, Vinayaka, Ganapati, Ganesha, Vigneswar, Gajananar, Aingaran, and worship him. But he is known more by the name of Ganesh than any other, since he has the qualities of an innocent, guileless child. Lord Ganesh has a strange but beautiful figure, that of an elephant face and a human body. A big belly with a snake tied around it. He has 4 hands, each holding the Ankusa, the noose, Modagam, and the broken end of his tusks, respectively. The ears are very big, big enough to hear the prayers of all the people of the world. He too has a wisdom eye in the center of his forehead, just like his father, Lord Shiva. Peer into the Pillayar's beautiful face. You will immediately realize another strange truth. If you put together Pillayar's face, the forehead, the eyes, the curved trunk, you will see the form of Pranava Mantra. This is the unique feature of Pillayar's figure. The Pranava Mantra Om is the basis of the entire universe. Pillayar is a representative figure of this Pranava Mantra. The Pranava Mantra Om is the foundation of all knowledge, and Pillayar is the Lord of all knowledge. Pillayar is the eldest child of Lord Shiva and Parvati. The youngest son is Lord Muruga. The eldest son is the Lord of knowledge, and the youngest son is the Lord of power. And thus they both remain the basis of the earth's existence. Knowledge and power both are indispensable to us. Pillayar's trunk has wonderful powers. There is no other tools that is as wonderful as the trunk. What does Lord Ganesh make us realize with his trunk? Just as the elephant trunk has the ability to distill water from the mud and thus quench its thirst, we should also discard evils and take only the good things. Moreover, just as the elephant trunk clears obstacles in its way and helps other animals, we should also help others and not be selfish. Just as the elephant is able to handle with equal ease large logs and small pin, our Lord Ganesh also does not differentiate between greater devotee and lesser devotee, small work and great work, small prayer and big prayer. He accepts the prayers of all people of the earth and blesses them as they deserve. Lord Ganesh Vahana, or the vehicle, is this true. The straw which is small made is the Vahana of the big made Lord Ganesh. The straw which makes a small hole in the wall of the house and makes it entry keeps tunneling until it makes a large hole. In the same manner, small desires which form in our heart keep growing and finally pervade our whole heart. It is to show us that we should prevent this, that the Lord Ganesh keep the straw under his control and has made it his Vahana. Let us pray to Pillaya so that he would keep under restraint our worldly desires.